All right, so we're solving this simultaneous equation. Basically, when I look at it, I'm thinking I could eliminate y easier by adding. But before we do that, we have to bring them to the same coefficient. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1. That way, I will have 2y in front of both of them. One are going to be negative, one are going to be positive. And then I can add. Yeah, big up the thing now is a bit. So 2 times 2, that's 4x. 2 times y, 2y. 2 times 7, 14. So multiply everything by 2. Everything by 1 now. 1 times x, 1x. 1 times 2y, negative 2y. See it? Both of them have the 2 in front of them. 1 times 1, 1. So if I add the equation, we'll automatically get rid of the y term because look, positive 2y and a minus 2y. A plus will definitely make it be 0. But you have to add the entire equation. So 4x plus 1x will give you 5x. This is going to give us 0. And of course, 14 plus 1, 15. So right away, guys, we find x and stuff. 5 into 15 goes 3 times. So the value of x is 3. Now that we know the x are 3, we can substitute x in any one of the equation. I'm going to use the top one because there's no negative. Is it two minimum bright? May I try if you avoid the negative vessel. So I'm going to use the positive one. So this equals 7. We know the value of x is 3. So anywhere we see x, I'm going to substitute 3. And then we expand 2, 3, 6 plus y equals 7. What plus 6 give you 7? Only 1, right? But we have to show working, so we subtract 6 from both sides. Cxc required to show a lot of working. So please show your steps. So y1, x are 3. We did this in day 1. I think day 3 as well. Remember guys, by the time it's half, by the time day 9 or day 10, we're gonna move on to like the matrices and those compulsory topics. So please ensure that we lock down all of these that we're doing. Alright? I go ahead and do this one. Factorize 4y squared minus z squared. All right, good job. A number of persons got this. That was good. That was good. That was really good. All right, so Moesha, Bailey, Savannah, Tiana, Brianna, Khalees. That one was good, guys. What about the others? Let's see if we can finish it. Very good. All right, so it's a factorized completely. The first one, 4y squared minus z squared. Now, this is what we call a difference of two square, right? So what we can do is find the square root of each. What number we multiply by itself to give us 2y, 4y squared? That would be 2y times 2y. That would give us 4y squared, right? So one on either side. What about z squared, right? It's have to be z times z. So you put 1 up plus and 1 should be minus. And that would be our answer. All right. I think I see somebody have this z attached to this y. So be careful, guys. Could be an error because everything else was correct. So that could be an error. So we have to be very careful when we're doing that. All right. Let's do this one now. We did one similar on day one, 2ax minus 2ay minus bx plus it. I think it probably be a repeat. It's a different here, but it looked very similar to the one that we did. So you guys can match up that one and let us. And in the same breath, you can do this one as well, which is 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. Yeah, so we're going to factorize this one by grouping. I think we see A common already, 2 common as well, so we think, so we save to say we can group. X common here, no, B common here. So we take out the highest common factor, the HCF, and the highest number that can go to 2, and 2 will be 2. And of course, A is common to both, so we take out those, and then we divide. Like show steps, So 2ax divided by 2a. That cancel that, that cancel that. So that leave x. You have minus 2ay divided by positive 2. Now 2 into 2, well, gonna be 1, but you have the negative argument, right? And then the a will cancel the a. So that leaves negative 1y. Or we can just write y. Now we have a minus here, again, so we have to put a minus. B is common to both, so we take out the b. And of course, negative bx divided by negative b. Negative cancel negative, you get positive x, right? And of course, by divided by negative b. B cancel b, but that leaves negative y. So it will be minus y. And then you have x minus y. And what outside, which is the 2a minus b. And that would be our answer. The one here now, factorize, right? By the factor method. If the factor method can't work, guys, in the exam, use the quadratic. Everyone should be able to use the quadratic as well. All right. So the next thing now, Hold on, guys, because apparently somebody has said, you give wrong password, and I'm sure I give the right one. I just forward it to everyone, so everybody get the same thing. I so we have A, B, C, and we multiply. So it's A times C, so it will be 3x squared times negative 8, and that will give us negative 24x squared. So we list all the factors of 24, right? All the numbers that can go into 24 without leaving a remainder. So it will be 1 times 24, 2 times 12. Okay, this one, see we can get it, right? 3 times 8, 4 times 6. That's it, right? So we're gonna manipulate them and see which can give you the positive 10. Now we can be this because the difference at 23, if you had them at 25, that can give you 10. This can work because it's either you add you get 14 and the difference at 10. This couldn't work, 3 and 8, 11. If you subtract, you will get 5. And of course, here is 10 and the difference 2. So you know it's at 10, but you're gonna set it up in such a way that it's positive 10. So that means the smaller one will be minus because this tells us what the bigger one should be. The bigger term should be a positive. So it will be 3x squared plus the 12x minus 2x minus 8. And of course, we wrap it off with terms. I will do the same thing. We take out the highest common factor. What's the highest number that can go into 3 and 12? That's definitely 3. And then x squared and x, so x is common. And then we divide 3x squared divided by 3x. 3x squared is the same thing as 3 times x. And then we divide by 3 times x. So the 3 will cancel itself. X will cancel itself as well. And of course, now we have 12x divided by this 3x. That will leave positive 4. Equal to minus, that's the highest number that can go into 2 and 8, 2. And then we divide again. Negative 2 into negative 2x will leave positive x. Negative 8 divided by negative 2. And negative divided by negative positive. So that's x plus 4. Okay, I have some other here, guys, because the board look full up. And then we're going to take what's common, which is x plus 4. So we can take this bracket first. Both of them, x plus 4 is common. And then we take 3x minus 2, which is outside. Why I always say some of them are outside. And you have to remember this. Alright? And that would be our answer. X plus 4 and 3x minus 2. Let me know it, please. And then we're going to go down to the next one. Guys, remember me give you the code in advance. Huh? Just look on the code when I pass time. Yeah, so that one you have a tell, this I go short. Because see it gone out already. And then now we come across like so. One for down so as well. The other one. And then the one for short. So let me have them into piece here. So you know, look like it, man. Oh, to come so. Yeah, something like that. See that draw all four with a ruler. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try to figure out the puzzle part. It's on the sheet provided. Me not know if well yeah, that gone already guys. He said draw a sketch of the diagram of the fourth diagram. So we draw that already. So this piece did it, so we did that. This is what I want you guys will do now. Complete the table. We did something like this last night, right? So more you guys will complete the table now. And then this is our 2 marks alone, I don't understand. Oh, hold on there, guys. So this is our copy there, so. Is it that this is on my part? At 20, complete 20 as well. Alright. Normally, me not see the nth term, but me not see that one day. That means I probably left out something by mistake. I think I probably left out something by mistake. So guys, one mark it up still. I think probably my part. I'm not sure we'll go on it, but I will look back and then we can discuss.
So you can scroll down, please. I'm not seeing it.
Man, we love it. Yeah, man, we love it for real. All right, guys, make sure you want easy way. Just meditate, No, because so nobody not teach me this, I just me meditate and say, yo, so this is the easiest way. You know, if it, see somebody else work it.
So you can check my answer.
Come on. I mean, now get my cursor. I mean, I know what, yo. This is a malfunction. All right. All right. I don't want to end it. A second time it's happening. I don't know why I will cause it. Like a built-in function. A malfunction. Hold on. Let's see if we can pause it. All right. So it's now complete the table by inserting the missing values. So them give us this for start us off. We can see pattern from here. The number of wires are go down. The number of bars are go wipe and down. Yeah. So you can see the pattern from 12 to 20, right? Which number that? From 8 to this, which number? If you look at it, it'll go up by 8, or you can say the difference are 8. So say if you do remember wires, some 8 involved, right? So we can use the first one. So let us see, we have 8, 1, because we know some multiply. Then do something else, some function, and the result should give us 12. So basically, we can see that a 4 them add, right? Because 8 ones 8, and then you add 4. So these are like 8n plus 4. And you can check it with the others. 8 to 16 plus 4, 20. 8 times 3, 24 plus the 4, give you that. So all we have to do to get this one, 8 4 is 32, plus the 4 is will be 36. I can use the same little strategy if we get the one here. The difference of 4, right? Difference between 12 and 8 of 4. Difference of 4. So that means that they multiply by 4. So we use n as 1, right? And this must give 8. So then do some form of operation and then end up with 8. So 4 ones are 4. So you can see, so add them, add. Them add 4 here. So you can check if it's consistent with the other ones. 8, 8, 8, number 8, 4. 4 twos are 8 plus 4, 12. This one, when n are 3, 4 threes, 12 plus 4, 16. So the same thing. 4 plus 4 times 4, 16 plus the 4, 20. And see consistently. Now ask if it's 20 here, so. I don't know how I mess up this, you know. You know, see nobody it drop off my page and I never realize. Alright, so at 20, so basically for 20, 4 times this hour, 80, right? No, this hour 8n, yeah. 8 times this hour 160 plus the 4, 164. So that one here now, it's gonna be 4 times the 20 plus the 4, which is 84. And we done the table this one. This will be that should help us. I don't know what all this coming as. Alright, it's to write the rules which may be used to find the values of W and B when n is unknown. This is what we had done, right? The 8n plus 4 would be here. And for B, it was what? 4n plus 4. You need to forget what my pencil for right. I forgot the 2 with that thing and I forgot stop. Yeah, Akira, big up yourself, big up yourself. Good job, good job. Alright guys, we have 15 minutes. We could see if we can. We put him back on number 1. We could see if we can do it. And I think we're able to do all right still because time tight. So it's a calculate the exact value, bracket 1 and 3/4 minus 1/8 plus 5/6 divided by 2/3. So basically, them in a bracket, right? So we can just work out each. Fact that them in a bracket, that makes it a bit easier. If you open now in a bracket and then we do it from base off a division first. But because it's in bracket, we could just do this part. So we do the conversion 1 times 4 plus 3, that's 7 over 4 minus 1/8. Once you add and subtract, we have to bring them to a common denominator. If they don't have the same denominator, the lowest number would be 8. 4 into 8, 2 times, so we multiply 7 twos 14. Remember it's minus, guys. 8 into 8, 1 time. So this works out to 13 over 8. Occur the second bracket. Add if you add to this, bear in mind that we are forced to do after. So, division, right? So we have 5 over 6 divided by 2/3. We're supposed to change it to multiplication and reciprocate. 3 into this, 1, 3 into this, 2. So this will go to 5 over 5 ones 5, 5 over 4. How this supposed to add so we find the LCM? Let's see if we can rub off. This one put in the right. No, I'm not doing this right. So the LCM would have been 8. 8 into itself 1. 1 times 13, 13. 4 into 8, 2. 5 twos 10. So that's 23 over 8. 8 threes 24. So that's our 2 times. We're not get the answer there. 2 times and that's our 7 over 8. I don't remember getting that answer. This is sound like fraction. I'm just running back. 4 into this, 2, 7 2 is 14, 8 into 8, 1. That's a 13 over 8. Alright, so put it. We divide now. 5 over 6 times 3 over 2. 3 to itself 1, that 2. 2 2 is 4, 5 1 is 5. That's right. Yeah, this is a 1 and a quarter, and this is a 1 and about 5 8. Yeah. So yeah, about 2 and 7 8. You're right. Alright. That one here now. I mean, I really have my calculator way. Let me see something. If my phone can work. I think I see somebody gave 2.4 for that. Possible, right? Wish I use a phone and see if I can math. So we have what? 2 point square root of 2.8, 2.891. All right, this work out to 1.7. That part here. And then some 0, 0, 0, 0 there. But let's go round it up to one decimal. Plus, this is 1.2 divided by square root. So 1.2 divided by, why messy bracket? 1.2 divided by, open the bracket, 1.31 times 1.3. I see this, give me 0.699 and some back a number. So I'm just going to add the 1.7 to it. Yeah, that person was correct, I think. 2.4. It basically work out to 2.99. No, 2.3992599. So as the person though, we say two decimal place. Oh, it's actually 2.40. Alright, because this is 39, right? So when you add 1 to this, that'll be 10. So 2.4. Yeah, I did saw that. That's actually worth 3 marks, you know. Alright, told him. No, this worth 3 marks by itself. Not bad at all. And your calculator can do this for you, so that wasn't bad. Nice 3 marks there. So guys, we send the recording. Normally me I go half an hour over the time, but man tell us, yo, I'm so tired right now. So tomorrow I will send the recording. If not tomorrow, yeah man, definitely tomorrow. Alright. Take care guys. I'll see you guys. Some people will see a regular class, some at the marathon.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, take care, take care. Alright, see you guys soon. Hope you guys get some rest.